Hello folks, welcome back. In this tutorial, we are going to talk about relationships and why we need them. So far, what we have done is we have created two objects, position and the candidate object. We have created a couple of fields in those, in the position and the candidate object. Like it looks like a table. If you can consider it as a table, then this is the position table and these are the fields. And this is the candidate table and with the fields. Now, the problem here is there is no way we can address following issues like which candidate applied to which position. There is no way we can figure out. There is no common field between a position and a candidate, and there is no way we can figure out that okay, how many candidates apply to a single position or one candidate applied to how many positions. We cannot find these solutions with this position and candidate because position and candidate are two independent entities or two independent objects and we cannot find these answers. So the solution to this problem is the one way we can do is instead of creating two different objects like position and candidate, we can create one single object with all the fields which includes the position fields as well as the candidate fields. So you can imagine a object like a position candidate together and it will have the fields from the position as well as from the candidate like everything. So what will happen is it will grow, the table size will grow huge. There's one problem with this issue. The second is the duplication of data. So let's say there was a position for the Salesforce developer, and let's say these are the information that we provide for that position. Now let's say this candidate named Deepika has applied for that position. Let's say there's another candidate, John, who applied for the same position. So basically there is a lot of duplication of data involved here. We will be repeating the same information like position title, job description, skills required, max, minimum pay, location for these two candidates. So there will be a lot of duplication. The other problem with this solution is that no reusability. So let's say tomorrow if I wanted to use positions somewhere else, just the positions. I don't want what candidates are associated with those. I just want independently, I just want positions information. You cannot do it because now you have made a single table or a single object with all the fields. Now you have the bond between them is very strong. They're very tightly coupled, so you cannot reuse them. So this is the issues with the solution one. Now the solution number two is we'll talk about is a relationship. We'll talk about what are relationships and what are different types of relationships that are available in Salesforce in our next tutorial. Till then, stay tuned and thank you.